Well, hey, welcome to the channel, everybody. I tell you what, why don't you go ahead and like and subscribe before we even get started. Right down there, doesn't take you anything. Let's talk about this Uconnect hack we got going on here. So as you guys know, I've got a Firestick hooked up to my 8.4 Uconnect and two TVs on the back seats. I showed you guys in another video. You can check the link up there to the other video on how to install it. But a lot of people have been asking me, how does this thing work? Does it work in motion? Blah, blah, blah. So I'm just going to give you guys a little short video. It's not going to be long. It just shows you the functionality of the Firestick in the car. If you like it, please definitely like down at the bottom down there. Throw a comment. Tell me what else you guys would like me to throw up on the channel and install and show you guys how to install. And anything else you guys want on the channel.
As you can see, we're driving. Video in motion. This is hard to do. Gonna hit up the old YouTube. We're using the hotspot off my phone, remember? Still moving. We're on the back road, so this isn't too dangerous. Well, we're gonna click on the YouTube. Hit pop music. And remember, there's a Firestick down here in the center console with a lockpick.
It's been 24 hours, I need more hours.
So we can do the YouTube videos. We can go back, hit the home button. We can tell Alexa, play Maroon 5 on YouTube.
Getting that from YouTube.
Yes, play this video. Dope, right? Alexa, play the Avengers movie.
Getting that from YouTube.
The world has changed. At this point,
Alexa, play the Avengers on Netflix.
Here's what I found.
Well, didn't find it on Netflix, but it found it on Prime Video. And we're still driving.
Thanks guys for watching the video. I know it was a short video, but this is exactly how the Firestick works in the car. Again, I appreciate you guys watching the video, and we'll see you later.